For the last video of this month, of this beautiful month of August, I'm gonna be unboxing my second box from Evitamins. So if you want to see what I got, I'm gonna be reviewing each product, and also I'm gonna link all the products down below. Yeah, you know, just stay around. Let's see what they sent me. I'm excited because I was thinking of buying this one that they just sent me, the rose petal rose water. The thing and that I love about this one, it is that it only has water and the rose petals. You can combine this with any facial mask. If you wanted to moisturize your skin or help you to calm down any inflammation, you can add a few drops of the rose petal, like this one right here, that it doesn't have alcohol, into your natural face mask, whatever combination you want to do, and it's just gonna like give you a beautiful skin. Some of these days we're gonna be trying this rose water petal in one of our natural face masks. This is kind of cool because I always use the activated charcoal powder. That's it. I never try the activated charcoal toothpaste. It comes with the natural activated coconut charcoal powder. I drink a lot of coffee because my country and we're like coffee people. I always try to take care of my teeth because I drink at least like 1 or 2, sometimes like 4. It is a good teeth whitening hack to use activated charcoal. So definitely I'm gonna be trying this for a few weeks and then tell you guys everything. I love aloe vera jelly. I completely understand that not all the days you're gonna be making aloe vera gel from the actual plant. Some other days I would like just to have the aloe vera gel, you know, like this one right here. When I was a teenager, I only used to use the aloe vera gel as a moisturizer and then apply some sunscreen, and that's it. And I got rid of so many dark spots. I used to have a lot of dark spots because I used to just, maybe you don't want to apply a very greasy cream, you can go ahead and use this and then apply your sunscreen. Your skin's going to be moisturized and not greasy. When I think about lavender oil, I always think about acne. So you can use it on your face, but hold on. It is really important to use this with a carrier oil. You can add a few drops of this as long as you use another oil. You cannot use this straight on your face because it is 100% pure. It can burn your face. If you want to use lavender oil to apply topically, you can use a few drops of lavender oil, plus you can use grapeseed oil, which is the best to treat oily skin and acne skin, because those two are not gonna clog your pores like if you apply with coconut oil, which is a bad idea if you have oily or acne skin. And if you wanted to apply lavender oil on dry skin, use it with jojoba or almond oil or olive oil. There are great moisturizers for that specific type of skin. So this is pretty much a spot treatment. Apply to blemishes, insect bites, and other skin irritations 5 or 6 times a day. This is completely fine to use it under makeup. I like because it has a combination with the tea tree oil, the chamomile oil, and the lavender oil. All those 3 oils helps us a lot if you suffer from acne. Most important rule is to have clean skin every time you apply it because it has a roller. You don't want to be rubbing that roller in dirty skin and then just making things worse. This seaweed soap smells fantastic. Smell it. It's going to hydrate our skin and is anti-inflammatory and anti-aging. It also comes with a mild scrubbing exfoliation. I hope you guys like it, enjoy, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to become part of this organic family, you only need to subscribe, be happy, and I'm gonna be bringing you a lot of videos next week. I'll see you guys on Monday. Pura Vida!